lovely crafters, welcome back to my studio. And where's everybody? As usual, I'm the only one who finished my lunch. We have a bunch of kids waiting for the house to be done. Or the moms. Well, we have a lot of work to do, so let's continue. So, we're going to decide where the lamp spots under the ceiling will be. Now you understand why we don't close it yet. So I made my own ruler just to measure where the middle part is. This is the second floor ceiling. I'm gonna make 4 spots of lamp. The easiest arrangement is to make it symmetrical in order. If you got the spots already, measure it with a ruler to get the exact measurement. I'm trying my best to get the consistent distance between the spots. Just do trial and error to do this. You don't need rocket science math. And this is the first floor ceiling. I'm gonna plan the interior first. I'd like to have a hanging lamp in living room area right here. So I'm gonna spot this. And then this will be the kitchen maybe. And this is the dining table. And another hanging lamp over the table right here. The rest of the lamps will be here, here, and here. Copy the spots measurement on the cover and then draw a rectangle about this size around the spots. Cut it and finish it just like finishing the wall and floor using some white glue and heavy books for about overnight. And after the overnight, let's finish all the lamp installation using some half plastic ball like this. And some cheapest and shortest fairy lamp you can find like this with no big bulbs, and it's about 1 meter long. Use only white glue to do this, never hot glue. And then as the hanging lamp cap, I'm using some plastic toy ball like this. I cut it into half. It's kinda soft material, so it's so easy to cut. And the good thing is, they came in various kind of color. And you can also use this mini paper cup. Actually, I'm using it as the base at the ceiling, just for styling. And maybe you have your own idea to make the lamp. So you don't need to glue the wire permanently to the cap. Just use some tape like this. So everything will be removable and adjustable. So you can change the design anytime you like. So this is what I was talking about. You can adjust it easily like this. You can even change the cap if you're bored with it. Let's finish the window. I'm using 0.5 mm plastic sheet like this. If it's less than 0.5 mm, it's gonna be like this. Not good. You can also use acrylic sheet, but it's way too expensive, at least for me. And you're gonna need 5 mm floor tape as the window frame like this. I'm choosing black, but there's also white, gold, and silver. It's up to your design. try your best to do this, but as usual, it's not gonna be perfect. It's okay. And use the 10mm floor tape to make the wall list like this and some part of the door frame. And then let's make up some imperfection under the ceiling using this kind of balsa dowel. To do this part, we need something sturdy, so we cannot use the tape. So we're going to put it like this only to the wall, not to the ceiling, because we need the ceiling and the roof to be removable. Another idea, you can also use the dowel as the wall list like this, but it's not gonna be flat like tape, so it's up to your design. We have some leftover. Don't waste it. Let's use it as the wall shelves. Almost looking like a home, but it's not finished. Let's continue to video part 3. I promise, part 3 is the last part of the video. I promise.